How to add outline in Photoshop. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. It should be extremely easy, just keep on watching, and yeah, I'll show you guys. So right over here, I have a picture. This is a Discord thingy, and it's PNG. So this is the easiest way to add an outline, or a stroke is pretty much what it's called in Photoshop. So once you have your picture, just like that, you want to double click on it, on the layer, and a new window will pop up. These are the layer styles. And what you want to do is simply click on stroke right over here. If you do not see as much as I have, then you want to go to effects, and then over here click on stroke. Then this will pop up. Click on it and immediately it will add a stroke. So you can change the size and the opacity as well. You can change the position to be inside, center, or the outside. You can change the blend mode to whatever you want, and also the color to, for example, white. And there you go. We have now added an outline. And just like that, that is it. Now that was the easiest option, but let's say I want to have an outline on this guy, but it still has a background. So when I add a stroke now, then as you can see, this will happen, and that's not what we want, right? So there is an option right over here, which is called remove background. And just like that, it can remove the background, but as you can see, it does not always completely work fine. And yeah, what you then basically want to do is click on the black and white layer, select your brush, and then make sure you have set it to white right over here. Then you can paint this back pretty easily, to be honest. But yeah, like I said, it doesn't always completely work that well. So now it kind of works, and now we can double click on it again, and now we can add a stroke, and just like that, it worked. Now if the remove background option doesn't work that well, then you should mask your layer. So how can we do that? Well, you want to click the pen tool right over here, and you want to go all the way at the edge and select all the way, yeah, pretty much the edge. And once you are done with that, let me just do this real quick. Like, I know this isn't like a good mask, but this just for the sake of this tutorial, when you have finished your mask, what you want to do is simply click on right click, click make selection, click OK, and then here you can see the mask button. You want to click on there, and now we have created a mask, pretty much like we did before. Then double click on it, then click on stroke, and just like that, we have now added a stroke to our layer. So that is very quickly how to add an outline in Photoshop.